My name is Gaston Algaze. I'll be presenting at the Remote Team Summit on September 15th in Park City. I work for Jetpacks. Jetpacks is a company that aims to help companies and organizations in the US and Europe establish and extend their teams in Latin America. It could be, technology teams, delivery teams, operations teams, and basically what that does is enable them to have a growth engine, expand their global capabilities, and take advantage of the tremendous amount of talent that you can find throughout Latin America. Ever since I started studying and growing, ever since I've been growing into this role that I have, I've always liked being in the middle of different cultures. So one of the things that I've been doing for the past 10, 15 years is working with different groups of people in different parts of the world and learning about each other and learning how to create better cultures. So in my topic, I talk about, first of all, it's a tongue-in-cheek kind of like breaking case of remote work, because whether we like it or not, that's a trend that it's here to stay. There will be different levels of adoptions, different ways for us to do that. But in order for you to do it right, in my experience, you have to have a certain set of essential tools. And those essential tools are how to communicate the most effective way, how to create an environment where people can trust each other and be open to having new experiences. The fact that you'll be on the spotlight more often than you were at the office, you can't hide, you're always on the spot. And then the last two kind of main topics are enhancing your sense of self-aware and awareness within the organization, because things happen fast and you have to be more connected than ever. So you always need to be ready. And then the other thing, which is something that not a lot of people realize it's very important, is the fact that whatever you've set up yourself to do, even if it's just a small step, just to follow through, just to make it happen. And with all of that, you realize that you will have much more options available to you to continue to create your own path through this remote work journey. So the most important thing that you learn at my talk is that there is no such thing as this new wave of remote work. It's an evolution of how we're continuing to work in this new environment. And if you want to find out more about it, just come by and listen in. This is for everybody who has a seat at the remote work table. So this is for everybody who has a seat at the remote work table, meaning that if you are interested in it, if you're thinking that it will be crucial to your organization to understand how it works, if you want to take a look at, so for example, VPs, CEOs for sure, because you'll get the hands-on experience and you get a little bit of a strategy behind it, but also for the people on the ground or people doing it more on a daily basis, because you'll get a little bit of tools and techniques that you can apply, right after the meeting, the session is over. I hope that if you come, you leave with a new set of tools or with a revisited set of tools that you'll be able to apply right after that session. And in some way, I hope that also sparks your curiosity to continue, going through this journey with an open mind and with a enhanced sense of remote workiness. What I would really like is for you to come with an open mind and with the opportunity to share, and then figure out whether we've discovered something new together. That's it. I'll be learning as much as you guys along this way. I'd really like you to join me September 15th at Park City, Utah, where I'll be talking about what I've done in the case of remote work in my past experience, and I'll be sharing that with you all, and that's why I would really like for you to join and share that experience with me as well.